When I used to live with my mom, I just thought she was annoying. I thought she was annoying, and she cock-blocked my masturbation time. That's all Because she was the room next door, so every time I would get it going, I would like hear her sneeze, and it would throw off my timing. And I'm like, I can't finish now. Mommy's sick. She might need these tissues. I miss living at my mom's house. When I used to live at my mom's house, I used to be able to jerk off in my bed, and then the next day, it would be gone. Now I live on my own. It just stays there. It's not